Put that. You need to take that chair back too.
Oh, all right. Thank you, Brady. It was underneath that first table saw. All right.
Should be able to hold all the sand.
I hope.
Is there any other projects after this?
Probably not. But you got 2 more days, really.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Friday.
Did you finish yours? Well, because
Yeah, might as well.
next week.
Because it's somebody, there's so much glue on one side of it. Most of that bridge is yellow.
You can always use more glue.
There's 1 through 3 West Test, and you have regular classes after that. You'll be in here, Bubby.
Get to somebody.
The side of the bridge is just, there. And yellow.
It's strong.
1, 2, and 3.
It's yellow.
Blue lasts, but it all breaks off from the other side.
Yeah,
That's what I'm thinking.
17th, you can have first and second exam, then you go 5th, 3rd, 4th.
Why they even decide to do
Standard
it?
benders are just me.
It was already bent.
Wasn't our idea.
That's kind of down there. I don't think it's right that they make you do exams and then stay in school too.
Oh, so sorry.
I doubt we want to do it.
That's glue. Hey, you put tape on top.
Oh, yeah. That definitely helped.
Put weights in it now.
Put weights in it?
Go ahead and put that in.
I mean, I still got it.
Oh, okay.
Still got sand in there.
You know, we're going to work with like a refrigerator or something. Like, get like a refrigerator.
Like, I kind of thought it too, though.
I wonder if that
All right, that's all the sand.
Okay, 2.5 pounds in. Okay, the other 2.5. Take them 2 out and put 10. Whatever you want.
Oh,
Don't have to. So take the weight out.
It did what I thought it was going to do.
yeah.
Just put it straight down.
So you got 10. Then you got the weight.
Yeah.
Okay. Probably around 49 pounds should be.
That's like harder to have.
I'm expecting about
Hold back, you want.
Until. Okay. No.
So 50.
50 pounds.
It's pretty good.
Very good.